Drop top time here at Unique Specialty and Classics, and one we don't see too often either. 1962 Ford Galaxie 500 convertible. Inline 6 underneath the hood, 223 cubic inches. Manual transmission, shifter on the column, so 3 on the tree, if you will. Let's take a look at the chrome on the bumper. Grille, headlight surrounds. White exterior, black interior with black power vinyl top. Check out the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. Old school look with the wheels, 5-spoke chromes. White wall radial tires. Let's take a look down this passenger side. I've not noticed any major nicks, dings, or scratches. You may have a spot where it's touched up a bit, maybe a little pebble chip or what have you, but overall, no major chips down this passenger side. Here's a little touch up, kind of what I'm talking about. Again, pretty minor. Convertible top cover. Interior has been reupholstered. Aftermarket Pioneer stereo that is working, still retains pretty much original looking dash with the exception of that stereo mounted underneath it. Take a look from the rear to the front on the passenger side. Technician did note complete exhaust. There's a pinhole behind the resonator. We're going to start it up, let you hear it run. Take a peek underneath the hood as you get a good look at the chrome on the rear bumper. Bright work on the rear of the car, and of course the Galaxie 500 insignias back here. Brakes are 80% in the front, 80% in the rear. There's a horn button that is underneath the dash that is working when the key is on. Wipers also work. Once again, all those still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. You're going to be able to check out the underside, the interior, engine bay, trunk. So we take a look down the driver's side of this car. If you like these early 60s Fords, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you're going to see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily, and when these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase, and that can be done online or right off our showroom floor, of course. As you can see, this driver's side also free of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. I think we're going to take a little closer look at this interior. Like I said, we're going to start it up. I'll also put the top up so we can check out the condition of that. Black vinyl top. No rips, tears, or holes in that. As you can see, the seating surfaces have been reupholstered, newer condition. Let's fire it up. See, the fuel gauge did move, came up to about 1/8. Good look at the dash. And again, Pioneer aftermarket stereo that is working. Slip around to the back so you can hear this run. Up to the front. I'm going to pause this a second. We'll get this hood popped and we'll check out this engine bay. Alright, underside of the hood. There it is. That inline 6 power. Two-barrel carb. aluminum radiator. Let's go ahead and get that power top up so we can check out the condition of that, and we'll wrap up this walk around video. Stick around to the very end though, Jason's going to take it for a drive. All right, convertible top up. Do have it latched so you can see nice tight fit above the windshield. Side glass also rolled up so you get an idea how that fits. Black vinyl top, and this has been replaced along the line somewhere. That is not an original top. Looks quite a bit newer. Get a good look through the rear window. And passenger side. No rips, tears, or holes over here either. Side glass up. There is a gasket here that's missing, but I tell you what, if you need this top to keep you out of the sun or a rain shower, it's going to serve its purpose just fine. 1962 Ford Galaxie 500 convertible. Number to call is 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com is where you can check out all the still pics. And of course, we do consider trades. Financing is available. We can sure assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt,
gas it.
Welcome to Motorhood.
Here we have a 1962 Ford Galaxie 500 convertible, and we do have the top up today. There's an aftermarket blinker attachment on the column, and that's working as it should. This is a 3-on-the-tree manual transmission, and it is easy to drive. The clutch feels good. Nice thing about 3-on-the-tree is you don't even have to reach down, reach out. You can have a passenger right here comfortably, and you still have the fun of a manual transmission. Speedometer is working as it should, showing 45 to 50 miles an hour currently. Our fuel gauge is showing about 1/4 of a tank. Temperature is about 1/3 of the way up the gauge. That's right here. Over here we have a clock. The factory radio is not hooked up. Instead, underneath we have a Pioneer.
Yard work, raking, planting, painting,
and that is working for FM as it should. A little bit of slack in the steering, not bad at all for the year model of this car. Gotta let go of the wheel, this car stays straight in the lane. Comfortable. Either recovered or replaced. Nice bench seats in this car. The visors matching very well, also in good condition. Brakes feel good. Corners the way a 62 should. Nice cruiser, a very comfortable car. Take a look at all the pictures of this 62 Ford Galaxie 500 at UniqueClassicCars.com.